The universe is filled with wonders. From the vast expanse of the cosmos to the intricate details of the microscopic world, we are surrounded by mysteries waiting to be unraveled. We have gazed at distant galaxies, peering through telescopes that bring the far reaches of space into our view. Each star, each planet, each galaxy tells a story of the universe's grand design. We have explored the depths of our oceans, uncovering the secrets of the underwater world. From vibrant coral reefs to the mysterious creatures of the deep, the ocean is a testament to the planet's diversity. Now we stand on the precipice of a new frontier, the age of artificial intelligence. This era promises to revolutionize our understanding of technology and its potential. Imagine a world where machines learn like humans do. They analyze data, identify patterns, and make decisions with unprecedented accuracy. This is the power of machine learning and artificial intelligence. This is not science fiction. It is a reality that is unfolding before our eyes. AI is being integrated into various aspects of our lives, from healthcare to transportation and even entertainment. This is the reality we are rapidly approaching. AI-driven innovations are transforming industries, creating new opportunities, and solving complex problems that were once thought to be insurmountable. By 2030, artificial intelligence will be woven into the fabric of our lives. Smart homes, wearable technology, and AI assistants will become commonplace, enhancing our daily routines and improving our quality of life. It will change how we work, how we learn, and how we interact with the world around us. Workplace automation will increase efficiency, online learning platforms will provide personalized education, and virtual reality will offer immersive experiences. We are about to embark on an incredible journey. The future is bright, filled with endless possibilities and exciting technological advancements. Fasten your seatbelts, for the dawn of a new era is upon us. Today, artificial intelligence is already all around us. It powers our smartphones, recommends our music, and even helps us navigate traffic. These are just glimpses of what's to come. Scientists and engineers are developing increasingly sophisticated AI systems. These systems can process vast amounts of information at lightning speed. They can learn from their experiences and adapt to new situations. The key to this revolution is something called machine learning. It's like teaching a computer to think for itself. We feed it data, the computer finds patterns. It uses those patterns to make predictions. The impact of AI will be felt in every corner of our planet. It will transform industries ranging from healthcare to transportation. Let's explore some of the most exciting possibilities. In healthcare, AI will help doctors diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately. It will personalize treatments based on individual patient needs. Surgeries will become more precise and less invasive. Manufacturing will be revolutionized by smart factories. Robots and AI systems will work side by side with human workers. They will increase efficiency, productivity, and safety. Products will be customized to meet specific demands. Imagine a world without cancer, a world where the fear of a diagnosis is replaced with the confidence of a cure. This is not just a dream, but a vision that is becoming increasingly possible through the advancements in precision medicine. Imagine a world where genetic diseases are eradicated. Through the power of genetic research, we are beginning to understand the very building blocks of life. Scientists are now able to identify the genetic markers that predispose individuals to certain diseases, allowing for early intervention and personalized treatment plans. AI has the potential to make these dreams a reality. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we approach healthcare, providing tools that can analyze vast amounts of data with unprecedented speed and accuracy. This technology is not just a tool, but a partner in the fight against disease. With AI, doctors will have access to a wealth of medical data at their fingertips. This data includes everything from patient histories to the latest research findings, all integrated into a seamless digital ecosystem. This means more informed decisions, quicker diagnoses, and personalized treatment plans tailored to each individual patient. They will be able to analyze this data to identify patterns and predict health risks. By recognizing these patterns early, healthcare providers can take proactive measures to prevent diseases before they even develop. This predictive capability is a game changer, shifting the focus from reactive to proactive healthcare. Early detection will become the norm, leading to more effective treatments and better outcomes. Imagine a world where a simple test can detect cancer at its earliest stages, when it is most treatable. This is the promise of precision medicine, where early intervention can save lives and improve the quality of life for countless individuals. AI will also play a crucial role in drug discovery. The process of developing new drugs is complex and time-consuming, but AI can streamline this process by analyzing chemical compounds and predicting their effectiveness. This means that new life-saving medications can be brought to market faster than ever before. By analyzing vast datasets, AI algorithms can identify promising drug candidates and accelerate the development of new therapies. This not only speeds up the process but also reduces the cost, making treatments more accessible to those who need them most. This will lead to faster cures for diseases and a healthier future for all. The integration of AI and precision medicine holds the promise of a world where diseases are not just managed, but eradicated. A world where everyone has the opportunity to live a healthy, fulfilling life. Section 5. Manufacturing, the dawn of smart factories. The factories of the future will be powered by artificial intelligence. Robots will work alongside human workers, each performing tasks that play to their strengths. This collaboration will lead to a new era of manufacturing efficiency and innovation. AI-powered systems will monitor every aspect of the production process. They will detect defects in real time, optimize resource allocation, and ensure the highest levels of quality control. This increased automation will not eliminate jobs. Instead, it will create new opportunities for skilled workers. Humans will focus on tasks that require creativity, problem-solving, and critical thinking. Section 6. Transportation. Navigating the future. Self-driving cars are no longer a futuristic fantasy. They are rapidly becoming a reality thanks to advancements in AI and machine learning technologies. These vehicles are equipped with sophisticated sensors, cameras, and algorithms that allow them to navigate complex environments with ease. By 2030, our roads will be filled with autonomous vehicles, making transportation safer, more efficient, and more accessible. These cars will be able to communicate with each other and with traffic management systems, ensuring smooth traffic flow and reducing the likelihood of accidents. Imagine a world where you can sit back and relax while your car drives you to your destination. No more stressful commutes, no more road rage, just a smooth, enjoyable ride every time. This is the promise of autonomous vehicles. Imagine a world without traffic jams. With AI-powered transportation systems, traffic congestion will be a thing of the past. These systems will be able to predict and manage traffic patterns in real time, ensuring that vehicles move efficiently and without unnecessary delays. Imagine a world where accidents are rare. Autonomous vehicles are designed to be incredibly safe, with multiple layers of redundancy and fail-safes built in. They can react to potential hazards much faster than a human driver ever could, significantly reducing the risk of collisions. AI-powered transportation systems will communicate with each other, optimizing traffic flow and preventing collisions. This interconnected network of smart vehicles and infrastructure will create a seamless and efficient transportation ecosystem. This will not only transform our daily commutes, making them more pleasant and less time-consuming, but it will also have a profound impact on the way we live and work. With less time spent in traffic, people will have more time to spend on the things that matter most to them. But it will also have a profound impact on logistics, shipping, and global trade. Autonomous vehicles and drones will revolutionize the way goods are transported, making the process faster, more efficient, and more reliable. Goods will be transported with greater speed and efficiency, reducing delivery times and lowering costs. This will benefit businesses and consumers alike, creating a more dynamic and interconnected global economy, connecting businesses and consumers like never before. The future of transportation is bright, and it promises to bring about a new era of convenience, safety, and efficiency for everyone. Section 7, the human element, embracing the collaboration. As AI becomes more sophisticated, it's important to remember that it is a tool. It's a tool that can augment our abilities, not replace them. The future belongs to those who embrace collaboration between humans and machines. We need to focus on developing AI systems that complement human intelligence, not compete with it. Education will play a crucial role in this transition. We need to equip future generations with the skills they need to thrive in an AI-powered world. This includes skills like critical thinking, problem-solving, and creativity. Section 8. Navigating the ethical landscape. With any transformative technology, there are ethical considerations. We need to ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly. One concern is bias. AI systems are only as good as the data they are trained on. If this data is biased, the AI system will also be biased. We need to develop mechanisms to identify and mitigate bias in AI. Another concern is job displacement. As AI automates certain tasks, some jobs will inevitably be lost. We need to provide support and retraining opportunities for those affected by these changes. Section 9. A future forged in collaboration. The future of AI is full of promise, It has the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing problems and create a brighter future for all. But we must proceed with caution and foresight. We need to ensure that AI is developed ethically, responsibly, and for the benefit of all humankind. By embracing collaboration, fostering innovation, and addressing ethical concerns, we can harness the power of AI to create a future where humans and machines work together to build a more just, equitable, and sustainable world. The future is ours to create.